Robots Day to all citizens of Crater City. I hope that all you robots are enjoying your free time out there. Well, let's make our way down to one of our greatest events today, the Treasure Hunt. We're
I have a sinking suspicion that Tiger wants us out of this game. We just might have to thank Tiger. He just helped us find the treasure. Wow, what is this thing? This doesn't look like the treasure.
Whatever it is, let's take it for a spin. Gonna sink his buck teeth into our heads and suck out our neural processors. I saw it in a movie once.
By my calculations, I deem this area suitable for construction. I just can't get over how beautiful this place is. Would you stop your annoying daydreaming, Doctor, and finish your core analysis?
Bolts, we gotta get out of here. Those astronauts are gonna see us. You just get in there.
Perhaps we've witnessed a space-time continuum anomaly. Robotic beings from the future invading our time.
Did we just go back in time?
Maybe we should get out of here before whoever owns this thing comes back.
Hey guys, where have you been?
Actually, it's a long story.
We would like to congratulate the winner,